Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make kinky twist with soft and silky. That is my end result. That's my hair. Stay tuned and keep watching. The first thing you want to be doing is take your extension. I know I've not shown you in this video, but I will show you soon in my next video. You will take your extension, divide it into two, and you will hold your hair, like divide into three on your hair, and you will make sure it's secured onto your hair. You will plait it as if you were plaiting a cane roll. Plait it onto the up to a point when, like, you know that it's not shaking. You plait it, keep plaiting, and after you are really plait it, if the extension is tangling up, you have to make sure you detangle it. And what you want to be doing at this point is make sure you twist one side. You keep twisting both sides of the hair so that you can have a tight twist. You have to keep twisting both of them so that the twist can be okay. It can be very well secured. I'm gonna keep twisting both of the side so that until when I get to the end, keep twisting, so and you'll get up to the end of the hair. And I will show you again. You can watch again, and that's what I'm just gonna do up to the end of the hair. I'm gonna keep twisting both sides. Note that when you twist only one side of the hair, it's not going to be very strong. So if you keep twisting both sides of the hair, you will have a tight and long-lasting twist. That's what I'm going to be doing up to the end of the hair. And I'm going to show you again when I start the next one again. I'm just going to keep twisting up to the last part of the hair. I will show you again, and I'm holding onto my extension again. I'm plaiting it onto my hair. The index part of your hair, you put it into your hair, and you will make sure you are plaiting as if you're doing a cane roll. You will keep plaiting until when you know you've secured your hair, or you've secured the extension onto your hair. If you have a short hair, you have to plait like very strong, because if you're not doing that, this might pull out, especially because it's a twist. So after you've made sure it's secured onto your hair, you have to keep twisting both sides of the hair. Keep twisting. You twist both sides of the hair up to the end part of the hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye.